Now the metal matrix composites. Here we are having the metal as a matrix inside a composite. Okay, I mean, what would be the reinforcement material, that we will decide according to our desired properties, right? But what we have fixed is our just to have the metal. What metal, that's not concerned here. Only the metal is the first material, or you can say that it's a matrix material. Then that kind of the composite would be known as a metal matrix composite, MMC. Okay, and we could have the any type of reinforced materials. Okay, so here matrix would be the metal. Example of aluminum, titanium, magnesium. These all are just example of the metals. If we talk about the examples, the aluminum silicon carbide, right? So aluminum silicon carbide and titanium carbide, TIC. These are all the examples. Here you can see the aluminum, which is a metal, titanium, which is a metal. Okay, but here we have used a silicon carbide as a reinforced material. Here we have used only the carbide as a reinforced material. So the reinforced material would be changing. Okay, but the matrix would be the same as the metal. Okay, though you can see here it is aluminum and titanium, but both are just a metal. Okay, we talk about the application parts. The aircraft, automobiles, high temperature environment. Okay, these all are just example of metal matrix composite. So what you need to you need to focus about that the high temperature environment. So where a high temperature environment is the concern of application of your component, then you must have to use such a composite materials, or you can think about the material or composite material which are of having the metal matrix. So you can see here, I mean, application part, aerospace, automobile, automobile, aircraft. Because I mean, these two are just the very vast sectors, or you can say industries, where we are concerned about the material science, right? So that's why for each and every parts, I mean, you cannot think about, I mean, if you have an aircraft, suppose, so all materials, all components of that part are of having one single metal, single material, right? So they are very vast and very different applications, and they're different functioning, and according to that, we must be having the different material as well. So this is the reason that's why we are always seeing that different lots of material are having as a application over the aircrafts. Okay, because day by day we are just improving our efficiencies. Okay, for everything. Okay, just if we talk about the aircrafts, then in terms of the aircraft, we are also improving our aircraft's efficiency, and for that we are just trying to search a different material as well. Okay, but overall the aircraft, lots of other parts are there, and every part requires a different materials. That's why you are seeing different materials are having the application of aircraft. You cannot think of a single aircraft how it could be used as a different material. This is the reason why, and why it is different materials are being used. Different materials are having the application parts over the aircraft and automobiles.